It's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The classic Mercedes-Benz styling cues are in an athletic form that slices through the clutter of other cars. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, remote engine start smart device, first and second row fixed sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, gas pressurized shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and auto-shift manual transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.